Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. My name is Jaminko, a student at Forex for Beginners Academy. I'm here to thank from the bottom of my heart the CEO and founder of Forex Trading for Beginners Academy, Saad Ali, for a free mentorship course that has saved me thousands of dollars. Before I joined, I was a seasoned hit and miss type of trader who got scammed, bought into signal services, and the list is endless. It was on Facebook where the magic happened, and the rest is history. Forex for Beginners Academy has helped me learn for free, drawing channels, trade responsibly, doing trend lines, drawing Fibonacci's, mark charts on TradingView from each lesson, understanding pips, setting stop losses, learn about TradingView software, MetaTrader 4 trading software. I also learned about chart analysis, learned risk to reward ratios, learned about trading psychology, types of Forex brokers, and different types of traders. In Forex for Beginners Academy, we have a student private group of like-minded people where we post our chart markings for feedback and publications by Ali himself. Ali removes all the noise from his learners by not allowing any sales hype, since his course is absolutely free to join. He also emphasizes his students to learn the trading skills, and money will follow. So I urge you guys and girls to join Forex for Beginners Academy while it is still free. May you live to help many more learners for free. May Allah reward you immensely.